Hey guys, Assad here, and you're gonna learn about typed array. Yeah, inside it has a copy within method. So what we're gonna do is create a const, name it as event 8. Usual for event 8 array. So use a new constructor. Event 8 array. So now what we're gonna do, inside that we will use bunch of numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We fill the capacity of event 8 array, and first now let me show the thing. Event 8 dot, inside that we will use copy within. So now we need to pass arguments, and now what we wanna copy within. So I'm gonna select 3, which is here, it's this number, and where we want to copy from, like if I want, so I want to copy 1, so I will pass 1. And where do you want to copy, also you can say end position, so I want to copy to 3, so 3 comma 1 comma 3. So expected output is 1 2 3 2 3 6 7 8. So so about that, I forgot to log it on a console. So event 8, so 1 2 3 2 3 6 7 8. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.